Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I greet all of you according to una time. My wonderful viewers, something dey happen for this life. Person wey be say is still dey alive, you dey write rest in peace for a picture. If you know dey support Biafra or Oduduwa, let people wey be say dey support this great group, let them lead. This video wey we wan watch so na 2-in-1 video. Try watch am to the end, like our videos and also share our videos if possible. And person wey be say he write the rest in peace for Nnamdi Kanu picture, the picture go dey for this video. Make we watch.
Nnamdi Kanu bamalicha nwa Chineke nyere ụmụ Biafra ka o gozie obodo anyị ka mụ na gị bilibe. Nnamdi Kanu bamalicha nwa Chineke nyere ụmụ Biafra ka o gozie obodo anyị ka mụ na gị bilibe. Nnamdi Kanu bamalicha nwa Chineke nyere ụmụ Biafra ka o gozie obodo anyị yeah, we hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu fight together. Yeah, we hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Chukwu Kashike Ebu. This is what he is fighting for. Now, the reason MG began at this page, Chukwuka made the obituary post of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and a lot of us are not saying anything about it. I am so angry. Please, as you're joining, share this video. No. Kingsley, I will not warn you again. I'm not here for you to ask me whether I'm the one doing it or I'm not the one doing it. If you repeat it, I'm not even in a mood to wanna give you a change of words and as it is now. You don't young again. Ijele, aborogi Ijele ka aborogi Chukwuka. Whatever your name is, I do not care. You know time she more obituary of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Time ka ge shi buru osu gi punye n'ime Lilia. Otu an ka ge ji buru osu gi punye. The MJ mega on my pages everywhere. I don't know the one you are following, so you will hear what I'm saying. Now listen to me. Ashi is asokata izanya eburu nkata n'isi gba ya okwu. So whether you are against Biafra or you are with Biafra, that is not my business. I don't give a fuck. And Maromu, I don't care the angle you are coming from. I don't give a F. But wishing a living soul on Chukwuka before him. Wishing a living soul on Enweho Meregi. Only that all now imagitate what he believe in. Gane emenkegi, yana emenke ya. Get where ya tinye n'ime egbu osu, share ya on your page. And people post it on your page, not even share. You posted it on your page. Onye dinto konwo. Onye dinto konwo. Now let me tell you one thing. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not die. You will die for his sake. Please, if you come across this video, share this video. I will not be here long. I'm making a brief video. I need to go and rest. I have to go to work. Because if I don't do this program now, I may not have time to edit. Chukwuka, as you were that post to own your platform. Get and do to get that. No name post obituary in the matter. No ga one at this social media. No na so person gone soon. Uno ni nega wulu wish the others. And I may queer with our folk logo. Kaige jigobu. all of you ga-anwụ ọnwụ niile unu wishiri every individual. As he made this post wo ya na wall gị, ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ya. Ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ihere. Utela ga-eri anụ gị, a ga-ebu osu ga-ebu. So upon everything ikuga, everybody ana-agba gị nkịtị. Ga were poster obituary a chere Chukwuka ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ihere. Chukwuka ị ga-anwụ na ọnwụ ihere. Let's say Chineke nna is no longer living. Here he posted ebe Nnamdi Kanu na obituary, ebe Nnamdi Kanu na mortuary. This is what you posted. Here he posted Kamazi Nnamdi Kanu ka ọnwụọ. This is what you posted, obituary of a living soul. God ha ka ọnwụọ, right? Chukwuka ị ga-anwụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 1 million times, 10 million times, 3 million times ka ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ. Ọ ga-elive, ya godi na-eme ha achieve Biafra. Other people will take over. You cannot stop people's dream because of jealousy and envy. He will live to achieve whatever he is fighting for. Ya godi na-enwete hụ ya, others will take over where he stopped. But ọ ga-anwụ, he will not die young. He will not die young. Ọ ga-adị ndụ. Nwụọ ọnwụ Chineke si na ọ ga-anwụ. He will not die young, my dear. He will live long. I will talk to you guys later. I have a place to go. When you come across this video, share it. Nnamdi Kanu will never die young. Nnamdi Kanu will never die young. All of you that wishes people on wike, on birthday, unu ga mad. Unu ga chito ndu unu wishiri on. He will live and achieve his dream. Ma wo me hetiri Biafra. Ma, you're with Nigeria. Nobody is fighting who. All people are asking is freedom. Freedom. If you can't give them freedom, let them keep agitating until the day they achieve what they are looking for. But if he believe nege buya because of his rights, or get wish young Chukwuka ga 10 times. You know obituary post he made for Nnamdi Kanu. Or get one ga all game waga the on. I got no katashi Chukwuka guns. How do we get disappear? Make up. I would not know how you would die. But I got one me here. I got one me here. I can't none.
The APC government to do something about our children that are in the bush, from Niger State to Kebbi State to Katsina State and to Kaduna State. So look at the number of children that are being used. And I think that when we talk about failure, there is another name for failure.
What are they?
APC is another name for what? Failure.
And in addition to that, let it be on record that APC's government has not been able to surpass the megawatts of electricity as left by PDP government. Today we are below 4,000. We left above 4,000 when we left. And today we do not have that. That's one. All the grid stations, the transmission line that were left, with all the excess borrowings during the government of PDP, we were able to ensure that Paris Club wrote off some of our debts. Today they have reaccumulated. So we have a very failed government. That is the truth.